Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to disable or enable Fast Startup in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. With Fast Startup enabled, the machine does not completely shut down. In addition, the BIOS or UEFI settings may not be accessible because your PC isn't completely turned off. If your machine has high memory usage or lag, try disabling Fast Startup and restarting the computer. So, to disable Fast Startup, go to the Start menu. Search for Control Panel and click the top result to open the app. Click on Hardware and Sound in the Category view. Click on Power Options. Click the Choose what the power button does option from the left pane. Click the Change Settings that are currently unavailable option. Uncheck the Turn on Fast Startup option to disable the feature. Click on Save Changes. If you want to enable the feature again, you can use the same instructions, but check the Turn on Fast Startup option instead of unchecking it. If the Turn on Fast Startup option is not visible, go to the Start menu. Search for Command Prompt, CMD, or PowerShell. Right-click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. Type PowerCFG/H on and hit Enter to enable Hibernation feature. When you enable Hibernation feature with PowerCFG/H on, you are making it possible for Fast Startup to be enabled, but it doesn't automatically turn Fast Startup on. You would still need to enable Fast Startup through the power options in the control panel. You can also use the command prompt, CMD, or PowerShell, to disable Hibernation feature by typing PowerCFG/H off and hitting Enter. When you disable Hibernation with PowerCFG/H off, you are also disabling Fast Startup because it relies on the Hiber file to function. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.